Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. So, weird things are happening. I have a bun. I have a very big bun. If you missed that video last week, I uploaded a video on how I've been doing a bun and a little side braid with one weft of hair extension. So if you missed that, you can go back and figure out how I did this. We're killing it. It's looking great. Anywho, I did one of these last year and I really liked how, I don't know, I liked doing it last year. So we're going to do it again this year. You already know from the title. Today we're going to go over the new holiday decor I've bought. If you missed last year's, you can go back and watch it. But this year I'm going with a different theme, a different style. And last year I bought way more stuff because I had never decorated for Christmas by myself, like in my own house. Last year was the first year I did it. So I was starting from scratch. I had to buy literally everything to decorate with. I had to buy everything because I had never, like, obviously my family decorated for Christmas, like my mom and things, but I had never decorated out on my own. So I had to buy everything, trees, garland, like the whole shebang. So I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you do, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. We just closed my 500 subscriber giveaway this week, and I will do another one at 600 subscribers. So feel free to subscribe. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. I want to get the two biggest things I bought out of the way and get them done first. So the first thing I bought was I have a daughter. If you are new here and did not know, I have a little girl. Her name is Ellie. She will be 2 on December 23rd. So this is technically her 3rd Christmas, but last year was like the first year where she was like conscious for it, because I mean the year before she was like 2 days old, didn't know what was going on. And last year she wasn't in her own room. She was still sleeping in our room, and now she has her own room, and it's very pink and glittery and girly. And I'm going with a darker theme this year for my house, like my decorations. So because she's a little girl and she likes pink and glitter, I bought her own tree. It was really cheap. It was only $15.99. I bought this at Rose's, and it's just a 4-foot tall pink flocked tree. And I'm actually going to show you this side so you can see it a little bit better. It looks really cute. I didn't realize it was flocked when I bought it, but it's okay. I'm excited to put this up, and I wanted to actually film this tonight when I'm filming it so that I'm filming this on Tuesday night. I worked tonight, I worked Wednesday and Thursday, and then I have to work all weekend, but I am off on Friday, and I'm planning on decorating my entire house for Christmas on Friday. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys all of the stuff I've bought for this year before we put it up. So the first big thing I bought was I bought my kid her own Christmas tree. When I was growing up, we didn't have like a 4-foot tall Christmas tree, but we had like little tabletop trees. So the next thing I bought, listen, I wanted one last year and they were sold out, and then I knew they were going to have them again this year, and I made sure to buy one early. If you were here last year, I bought my Christmas tree from Walmart, and it was just a 6.5-foot tall pre-lit green tree. I think it was a Madison pine. This is literally the exact tree I had from last year, except I'm gonna try to show you, except this one is black. So last year I had well, I mean, I still have it. It's out in my storage building, but last year I had a 6.5-foot tall Madison pine tree in green. I would love to have a way bigger tree, but my ceilings on the sides, like toward the wall where you would put a tree typically, they're only 7 foot tall, and I like having a tree topper, so 6.5 is as big as I can go without having to cut the top of a tree off. So this is a pre-lit. It is black, and it was $39. It's the exact same tree I had last year, just black. And last year I really struggled with my tree, but you also have to think, yeah, it's a cheap little shitty tree, but you can pretty much fluff any tree and make it work. Sorry, my heat just turned on. But you can pretty much fluff every tree and make it work. And I think last year I just gave up. I just got discouraged and I didn't want to fluff it anymore. So I am super excited. If you haven't not gathered already from the Black Christmas tree, I want to go with a way darker theme this year. I originally wanted to do a Hogwarts Christmas and like Harry Potter, and we're gonna have to do that next year when I've had a full 12 months to gather supplies, make stuff, and just get everything here, because it's already too late. It's the middle of November when I'm filming this, and it's just it's too fucking late. I can't find anything. Everything I can find is on Etsy and expensive, and even if I paid for express shipping, it wouldn't be here by the time I want to decorate. So we're just scratching it. We're tabling that idea until next year. So this year I just want a really dark, like black and silver. I was gonna do red because my couch, but I actually you saw it Monday of this week. I got a new couch and it's like a silver blue tone, and I already had to take my red rug up because it really was clashing with it. So I don't know if I'll do red or if I'll just stick to black, white, silver, and gold. I don't know, but those are the two biggest things I bought. I got 2 new trees. I'm not gonna get rid of my green tree. I have a Christmas tree bag instead of keeping the boxes. I have a bag that's way too big for this 6.5 foot tree I have from last year. So, and they're 2 different colors. So I'm just gonna put them both in that bag in case I want a green tree again next year. The next thing really quick, I only bought one thing at Big Lots this year. They had some cute stuff, but some of it was overpriced. A lot of it was sold out and they didn't have enough of it. Like they had those cute little black velvet reindeer, but they only had one and I would want 2. So I might go back because they had the rhinestone deers as well. I might go back after Christmas when everything's on sale and buy some for next year. But the only thing I bought at Big Lots, it was $4. It's a pack of 32 shatterproof ornaments. There's disco ball situation, glitter, and like this little striped line situation, and the more glittery ones. I bought this for Ellie's tree because these are miniature and they're shatterproof. So I got that for Ellie's room and Ellie's tree. That's not all that's going on her tree. We'll get into it, but I mean, that's pretty basic. I just bought miniature shatterproof ornaments. On Monday, you watched us go shopping, and it was before I knew I was getting the color couch I got. So I went to Five Below, and I like the reindeer thing, like the reindeer statues, but they're so expensive everywhere I go. Not really, but I'm poor. They're like $15-$20, which doesn't seem like that much, but I'd need 2 or 4 of them. I have a thing with evens, and we ended up going to Five Below, and they had these. They're very cute, they're very glittery, and they are getting glitter everywhere, literally everywhere. I mean, so here's my thing. These were $3 a piece. I should have bought more. I very seriously might end up, because I have to go back out of town to finish Christmas shopping next week. I very well might end up ordering or buying some more of these. So originally I was gonna have a red couch, and they had red ones with like silver antlers, and they were broken and they only had one, and like there was a chunk out of it. There's a chunk out of this one you can see on his butt. So I bought these, and my whole plan, because I want to do a darker theme, and you know, it's pretty easy to find red and silver and gold Christmas decor. However, it's super hard to find black, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy these 2 and I'm gonna spray paint them black. And I might go ahead, I want to get some more anyway, but I might get 2 or 3 extra, because next year for Harry Potter Christmas, I can spray paint some of them like a really pretty light baby blue or even white for James Potter's Patronus. But my idea here was to spray paint these black. One, it would get rid of the glitter shedding problem, but now that I have that silvery blue couch, this is really pretty gunmetal silver, and it pulled in the gold. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to spray paint these. They're probably gonna end up spray painted, but I'm super excited. I fucking found these, and I'm definitely gonna try to go back and get some more. Let me put these away. And then we went to, does that have my damn store on it? No. Okay, then I went to Roses, which is where I got Ellie's pink tree, and I got some stuff for her pink tree. So this was $1.99, okay? It's my Simply Holiday. It's a star tree topper. It's just silver. The one I have for my big tree from last year is a solid star, and this one's kind of like more funky. So TBH, because both of our trees are so small, I very well might end up putting this one on our tree and the solid star on her tree. I don't know yet, but I knew I needed a second star. Her tree is also not pre-lit, so I got 2 boxes. My big tree is pre-lit, but hers isn't. And these were $2.99. I got 2 boxes of 70 clear miniature mini lights. Why do they look different? Oh no. Oh no. Why did I not notice that? Okay, so the boxes look different, and I finally realized that these have white and these are green. But I found another box in my Christmas tote from last year of clear lights, so hopefully maybe I won't have to use these, or I'll just buy another string with white on it. Man, I didn't even think about it. Okay. But I got lights for her tree. So the next thing I got, these were $1 a piece. Where's the other one? There we go. I don't typically use tinsel, but these were super cute. They're 6.6 feet long, and they were $1 a piece, so super good deal. One is a light pink and silver, and this one is obviously a darker pink and silver. I just thought maybe better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. You know what I'm saying here. Ellie's tree. This is also for Ellie's tree. It was only $5. It's a 3-foot wide shimmer tree skirt. It's just silver and shimmery. Has a little fur on the edge. I thought this was super girly and glam for my baby girl's tree. Also, I feel the need to tell you, I'm filming this tonight on Wednesday because my whole plan here is to decorate for Christmas on Friday, and it will be going up on my channel. Like, you guys will be seeing it this Friday, which is Black Friday, which works out for me because that's perfect. So there will be a decorate with me this year if you want to see any of these decorative items incorporated. Okay. This is super exciting, okay? There's a few Christmas presents in the bottom of this bag, but the majority of it is decor. So, Ellie's tree is pink and silver. We've been over this 1,000 times. I have a shit ton of ornaments and stuff from last year for my tree. At most, I might have to buy some gold, but I didn't have anything pink. So, I went a little overboard on the pink. Like I said, I bought this thing of silver, so her whole tree is pink and silver. So these are all from Walmart. They were all super affordable. This is 20 glitter snowflakes. They were $2.98, and they're just a pink glitter. And then, okay, listen. These were all $1 a piece. Walmart got me with these, okay? So there's this little pink deer with a little scarf, and there's glitter pieces on her. And these are like the plastic shatterproof situation, apparently. I hope. So then we got 2 candy canes with all the sprinkles and glitter and a big pink bow. I like swear, these are so cute. I got a little pink snowman. I just thought these would be super cute and girly because I am girly, but I don't do the pink girly, and my kid does. So I thought these would be super awesome for her room. This is a little sequence pink donut. I love it. We had to get these out of the way really quick. So these, I don't even know what you call them. Like little clip leaves, little filler leaves. So I got 2 pink. I would have gotten more, but that was all they had left. I got 2 of the pink glittery ones and 2. That one's looking a little rough. We'll fluff her out, hopefully. I've never used all of this. I'm really not good at Christmas decorations yet, but I got 2 silver ones just to bring in some more silver. There's a little pink glittery Santa Claus. Pretty much everything for her tree is glittery and pink and silver and girly and sequenced, and I love it. She got a little pink glittery bird with a little bow and a Santa hat. This one's probably my favorite. It's a little lollipop. We love it. It's pink. It's got glitter going everywhere. Literally. She got a little glittery pink rhinestoned seahorse with a pink Santa hat on. And the last ornament I got her like special was this little pink whale. And I just love that it has the little, it's like a little ribbon situation as its water spout, and it's sequenced. It's so cute. Yeah, so those are all the ornaments I have for Ellie's tree. That should be plenty to decorate a 4-foot tall tree. But I just wanted her whole room to be, because if you're new here and you haven't seen, we've remodeled my entire house, and my kid's room is all baby pink, and then she has an accent wall that is silver glitter. So her whole life is pretty much glittery and silver and pink. So it's gonna work out. Moving on. You saw this in a different vlog. This is from Walmart. It was only $6. It's just a metal and wooden sign. It's just black and white, and it says Merry and Bright. And my favorite part is it has like the Beetlejuice striping situation on the edges. You can hang this. I'm probably just gonna end up putting it on a mantle or something. Not my mantle, my bar or something, but it's super cute. I really, really like it. That's not decor. The only other decoration in this bag that's not a Christmas gift is this. So the whole thing with the black tree is, in my mind, I like dark things and dark Christmas, and I was down for it. But on top of that, next year I can put my black Christmas tree up in September and decorate it for spooky bitch season. And what better way to decorate it than with black and white stripes? Because everyone knows black and white stripes just scream Beetlejuice. So this is $3 from Walmart. It's super cute, and I figured instead of like having a star or something for spooky bitch season, we can just make like a Beetlejuice tree. I thought it'd be cool. Okay, don't hate. It's from Walmart. And it is very cheap. So that's that bag down. Let me go get a different one. The last thing I have to show you is super simple, and it's black. Like I said, Christmas decor in black is really hard to track down, and most of the time if it is black, it's black and white check and like farmhousey, and that's not my style. So I'm pretty much done. The only thing I might get are some golden ornaments, because I might do black, silver, and gold and just no red. But I don't know yet. A lot of my decor from last year is red, so I might end up still doing the red. But I might get some gold ornaments and throw gold into the mix. And I'm probably going to try to get some more of those reindeer and not even care about the color, because I'll end up spray painting them all. But the last thing I got is from Walmart as well. And it's just this little framed black shadow box. This was $11.88. And it says Oh Night Divine. And it's just black, and it says Oh Night Divine in silver. I just thought this was super cute, okay? Okay? Don't hate on me. I just thought this is something super simple that I could throw in and add more darkness to my kitchen, to my Christmas decor. I don't know. But as of right now, that's all I have added to my Christmas stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. And I tried to say where I got everything from, but the majority of it is from Walmart and Roses. Yeah, one thing from Big Lots and 2 things from Five Below. So the majority of it was Roses and Walmart. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you did. And I will see you all in my next one. Actually, in my next one, we're going to be decorating for Christmas. So if you want to see any of these in action, make sure you subscribe to me so you don't miss a future video. Yes, I'm going to stop rambling for real now. I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.